Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Tool Parts, where we help you diagnose and fix your tools to keep them running like new. In this episode of DeWalt miter saw repairs, we'll be looking at the power switch. We'll guide you through diagnostics and help you figure out what's causing your power issues. Then, we'll show you how to replace your power switch. There's a little wiring involved, but you don't need to be an electrician to figure this one out. So, your saw is getting intermittent power. Sometimes it turns on and sometimes it doesn't. Or maybe it doesn't turn on at all. Sounds like you might have a failing power switch. When a saw won't turn on, there's three things I look at: the power switch, the power cord, and the carbon brushes. First, check the power cord. Typically, a damaged power cord will be visually obvious. Inspect the cord for any damage and replace it immediately if you see any exposed wiring. Refer to the other videos on our channel for more information on replacing the power cord. If you don't see any damage but wiggling the cord around fixes your power issues, there may be a short in the cord you can't see. Another common power issue relates to worn out brushes. The brush's role is to transfer electricity from the wiring onto the spinning motor, and this friction causes the brushes to wear over time. Symptoms of bad brushes can be similar to a power switch failure, but different in a couple of ways. If your power is intermittent while your tool is running, then likely it's bad brushes. And if banging or jostling the tool helps restore power, that's usually a good indicator of brush failure as well. Luckily, brushes aren't too expensive, and they're one of the most commonly replaced power tool parts. For more information on brush replacements, refer to our videos titled How and When to Replace Brushes. Now, if your problem is the switch, usually your power troubles will be at startup. It might take several attempts to get it running, but once it's on, it should continue to run just fine. This is different from bad brushes, which may cause power loss mid-use. You can visually inspect the switch as well, looking for any melting, charring, or cracking. These will be good indicators that the problem is in your switch. If you're ready to get your hands dirty, I'll show you how to open up this handle assembly to inspect or replace that switch. To access the power switch, we'll need to start by removing this handle with a T30 Torx bit and the top of the handle assembly with a T25 and T20. The switch is fairly simple to remove. It's held in place by one T20. To remove the old switch, we'll need a T15 Torx bit, and keep in mind the positioning of the wire for replacement. Then we'll grab our new switch from mmtoolparts.com and simply hook it back together. Power issues can be frustrating at first, but hopefully this guide helps you diagnose and correct your problem. If you need any of the parts we used in this video, you can find them in the links below or on our website at mmtoolparts.com, where we stock thousands of OEM parts to keep your tools running like new. Thanks for watching. If you have anything to add to what we covered, or if you have any questions, chances are you're not the only one, so leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to like us, share us, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, where we have hundreds of how-to videos just like this one. Good luck with your repair. See you next time.